Fayetteville, Lake Washita State Park, Rockwell, Hot Springs National Park, Avant, Magnet Cove, Oaklawn Racetrack, Crystal Springs Landing, Sunshine, Mountain Valley, Royal, Lena Landing Recreation Area, Silver, Lake Catherine State Park. Here are the latest weather conditions. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Garland County and Central Arkansas, Central Saline County and Central Arkansas, Northeastern Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas, until 7 p.m. At 6:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mountain Pine, or 8 miles west of Hot Springs, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hot Springs, Benton, Hot Springs Village, Haskell, Mountain Pine, Rockport, Traskwood, Lansdale, Hot Springs Memorial Field, Lake Washita State Park, Rockwell, Hot Springs National Park, Lofton, Salem in Saline County, Avila, Magnet Cove, Oaklawn Racetrack, Sunshine, Glen Rose, Royal,